Auto clickers are great, and I have had one for a long time, but it's finally getting to the point where it's not working as well, and I can't find the attachment. So I bought a new one, and I really like this one. So I'm going to go over and show you how to use it. But to give you an idea, there are different ones you can get, up to, I believe, 4. You can get just 1 clicker, or 2, 3, or 4. I got 2 because what I do is I use it to get free play from the casino. And every once in a while, the balance runs out and you have to respin. So what I do is I have one just doing a max bet nonstop. And then I have the other one clicking where it'll go through and do the spin if I run out. Now, it's great because I just turn this on, let it go, and then it'll say, you know, you've used this for an hour, you're done. And I'm like, all right, no problem. Got that for today. And I do like that they have these plastic cups over them. They're very well designed, very smart, because that's going to go through and protect the tip, especially if you have a sticker on it, which they do come with stickers. You just peel the layer off, like I'll show you in a moment. Then you'll be able to go through and stick it right to it. It also does have the clip, and I had no problems with the clip. Clip is a little janky, but at the same time, it worked. So, you know, it's kind of hard to get a clip when you're trying to put something flat against the screen, and this worked. The cables itself, they're not real long, but they're long enough. The charging cable's pretty small compared to most charging cables, but I guess it could be worse. You know, sometimes you get those like 3-inch cables and you're like, oh goodness. But overall, it's decent size, and so far it works great. Something cool I would like to see is if you could change the speed of the individual ones, but that's probably a little too advanced. So whatever speed you're going to put it on, both of them will be clicking, assuming they're both plugged in. And for me to spin to reload only happens, you know, once in a long time. So I'd like to put that to the lowest, and then the spins put it faster. But unfortunately, I don't have that, but it's still better than what I had, which was just 1, and then I'd manually spin when I ran out. Now I won't have to worry about that. I can just let it sit, let it cook, and it'll be all set. So I'm going to go through and show you this on a calculator, give you a good idea of what it's like. All right, so here we have the box, and we'll just pull it out here real quick to show you what's included. Again, you have the clicker, and I bought 2 clicker heads, so that's what I have, and they're kind of in a bubble. You also have 2 hooks, 1 hook per clicker. So if you get 3 clickers, you'd have 3 hooks, the charging cable, and then we also have extra stickers for the tips, which also comes with 2 on the tips themselves. Here we go. We have it all set up. So I'm just going to go through and pull off the bubble part. You can see the head there. There's a sticker there now. We'll just put it there just to show it's working. And when you put it to equal, you can see this is as fast as it goes. So when it's going this fast, and I'm going to go through and slow it down and speed it back up just so you can get an idea. Now, this isn't using the sticker specifically at this point. It's just me holding it there to show you that it's working, and it's working really well. The other one I had worked not so good. So these are super sensitive and they are working good. You can see we have 10 extra stickers as well, and you can buy these stickers too if you run out. However, for me, it's going to be kind of like a set it and forget it, because I only use it for this casino thing. That's it. So I'm going to go through and stick those on and probably never touch it. So here we go. We can see it going through now and it going up, and then we can pause it. And this time we're just going to go through and do the clip. So I'll pull the bubble off on this one and we will figure out how to put the clip on. It's actually not too difficult. If it doesn't slide in, just flip it and slid in there. You can see it's plush, which is great. Now you just use the clip to hold it in place, and we'll go ahead and turn it back on. And now you can see it's clicking really well. So overall, do I recommend this? Definitely. Like I said, I've used other ones, and this is by far the best. I think 2 is all I need, but maybe you need more depending on what you're doing and what game you're using or whatever. You could use this for things like TikTok or YouTube to give likes to your favorite streamers, Twitch, whatever, wherever you touch the screen a lot to do something and you don't want to break your finger and spam it. This would be it. Great for AFK games and things like that too. So I hope this worked. And would I purchase this again? I definitely would. And if I need another one, I'll be buying the same exact one because I know it's good.